This beautiful 2009 Cadillac CTS has been detailed and is now ready for the road. This four-door sedan has comfortable ebony seats, and is equipped with a harmonious 3.6-liter six-cylinder 24-valve engine, an effortless 6-speed automatic transmission, and has the peace of mind of all-wheel drive. Its electronic features include an audio system with a satellite link and a CD player which can read MP3s, voice-activated phone and navigation system, and an 8-speaker in-cabin sound system. This vehicle keeps your safety in mind with a 4-wheel anti-lock braking system, 4 ventilated disc brakes and both driver and passenger front, multi-stage deploying airbags with occupant sensors. Call or come in today to schedule a test drive.